Hello, I'm Bocheng. Today I'd like to introduce the optical fiber pigtails produced by our company, including 12-color optical fiber pigtails, single-mode optical fiber pigtails and multi-mode optical fiber pigtails. The single-mode optical fiber pigtail connector models include scupc and scapc, fcupc and fcapc, lcupc and lcapc, stupc. Optical cable models include G652D and G657A1, G657A2 and G657B3. And multi-mode optical fiber pigtails models include OM1 and OM2, OM3, OM4 and OM5 are made of PVC and flame retardant. Our factory can customize any model of optical fiber pigtail. Welcome to consult. Thank you.